Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So over here guys, on this video we are going to be talking about how we can be able to claim the monad testnet token. So I've not really seen where a testnet token will be very scarce as this monad testnet token. You know, the testnet token is actually required for you to be able to do some certain things right here on the testnet platform. You can see over here guys that getting started with the testnet is very simple. You got to do is simply go ahead and get testnet token, make your first trade, build your fantasy top deck, and of course explore the monad ecosystem. But if you want to be claiming the testnet token, the first attempt will be for you to come over here to actually paste your wallet address so that you can be able to get your testnet token. You can also sign into their Discord in order for you to get more testnet token. But the problem right here is that even if you come over here right now and insert your wallet address, for example, like this, I've now inserted my wallet address, so you can see you can only claim one times every 12 hours. Even at that, if you click on get testnet token, you are going to get an error message, meaning that you are not able to claim the token, and this has actually been an issue to a lot of people. So right now, check out the video description of this video. I've actually dropped list of many testnet monad testnet sites where you can go and actually claim some certain testnet token. You can see we have error message right here, so check out the video description to get those links and of course try your luck. But on this video I'm going to be showing you one of the sure way to get this testnet token. But the problem right now is that getting the testnet token actually requires you to actually meet some criteria, which I'm going to be showing you right now on this video. So after I get the testnet token, I'll be coming right here to actually show you guys how you can be able to go around participating on the monad testnet airdrop. So let's now go to the site. You are going to be needing an OKX account or OKX wallet for you to be able to get the testnet token that I'm going to show you how to get right now. So right now you can see this is my OKX wallet right here. You can see I have about $17 right here. I just funded it right now because I'm going to be needing it to claim this testnet. But for you to be able to follow this this method to get the monad testnet token, you need to have a minimum of $10 on your account. Okay, and the $10 is not going to be taken, it's just going to be there, and you just need to have it for you to qualify. Nobody is going to touch your money and you are not going to be spending a dime. All right, so what I need to do right now, once I've got to my already funded OKX account, is to simply come over here right now to the discover button. You come over here to the discover button, then you go ahead and of course come over here to the search bar, then you paste the link which I'm going to leave on the video description box right here. Copy it from the video description box, come over here, you paste it right here real quick, and once you just paste it, then you go ahead and of course click on this first one, and right now it's going to be taking you to the faucet site. You can see over here you can claim a lot of faucet tokens right here, but on this video we are interested on the monad testnet token. So we are going to be claiming 0.5 testnet mon, and you can only do this once every 24 hours. All right, so right now I'm going to be clicking on claim right now, and when I click on claim, you can see that I have been able to meet some criteria. For example, you can see that I've actually I have over 10 USD on my balance, and of course I've done this one right now. Remaining for me to actually do this one real quick, that is to follow them on their X account and of course visit their Echo Hub. Then I'm going to be proceeding to claiming this 0.5 testnet token. And when you look over here, you can see I can only do this 1000 times. All right, so that's almost unlimited. Okay, so right, I'll be going ahead to complete these two tasks right now immediately. All right, so looking over here right now, I've been able to complete all the tasks. But when you look over here right now, this is very important. You can see the available testnet mon, which is the testnet token for monad that's remaining right here, is about 75,000. So you need to act very fast, because if you delay, you may not be able to meet any of them anymore, and for that you are no longer going to be able to claim it. So right now I will go ahead and of course click on claim right now. So when I click on claim, it is going to load up pretty quick, and from here we are going to be going to the next step. All right, just allow it to load up, and right now you need to complete this captcha right now. Okay, select in this order, up, left. Okay, let me try this. You can see this one is up and this one is left, and of course this one is between up and left. So this is it. So right now I'll click on OK. So right now I think we are done. Let's now wait and see. You can see token claimed right now. Okay, you can see token has been claimed, and they are going to be sending us our monad testnet token in just a couple of minutes. All right, so right now do this right now and stay positioned, and of course you can claim again after 24 hours right now. Okay, so this is how simple it is. So if you're finding it difficult to actually claim the testnet token, try and follow this step. It's going to be helping you. remember, most of the ways of getting this testnet token is going to be dropped on the video description box. So wait for me right there, and of course get it right there so that you can be able to take this step and of course get yourself some mon testnet token. All right, so right now, once you have gotten the token, you need to go back to the website, to your wallet. Of course, you go back completely to your wallet. Let's see what we are going to have right here. Okay, so of course you can see this is it right now, and of course let's go ahead and of course search for mon to see if we can be able to find it right here. So what you need to do from here is simply go ahead and of course click on this button right now. You click on this button, then you come over here. Let's search for it. Let's see if we can be able to see it right here. Okay, monad testnet, you can see it right now. You click on it, and right now guys, you can see that this is of course the testnet. We are now on the monad testnet network, but unfortunately we haven't received any token yet. So all you need to do from here is simply wait up and of course wait until the token that you have claimed arrives right here on your wallet. Then from there you can then use it and then participate on the monad testnet. So all these are very simple. Just wait until the token gets deposited to your wallet, then from there you can then proceed to the next step that I'm going to be sharing very soon. So what you need to do from here is simply go ahead and click on manage crypto. Then you can see this is the monad testnet. You click on this plus button right now to add it to your wallet. So right now let's go back and see. Okay, over here guys, you can see we still have 0 assets right here. Okay, just wait. Just like I've said earlier, the token is going to be deposited right here very soon. Once it gets deposited, you can then use it. You can then transfer it to your MetaMask wallet or whichever wallet that you have connected to the monad testnet website. From there you can then access it seamlessly and of course use it to actually run your monad testnet project. All right, so all these are very simple. Let me know what you think on the comment section, and of course let me know if it worked for you or not. And right now guys, I'm going to be talking to you guys on the next video that will be dropped very soon.